Wow.
Come on down and pick a pony. Wow, it feels like you're floating on air. And these guys aren't even Pegasi. Aw, they all look so cute having fun. Let's take pictures. We need a camera. Sure, we don't have one, but I'm sure we can whip one up. We're gonna need a strong lens. Think of it as a big mechanical eye. Don't forget to fix up the shutter. Plus a few buttons. Gotta have buttons.
Cool.
Why don't we test it out first? Cheese!
Oops.
Okay, big smiles, everyone. Hey, you close your eyes. Aw, this one's going right in our scrapbook. Yeah, you should keep that selfie. Wow, who needs a hole punch when she's around? She's a whiz with a paintbrush, too. Ooh, so what do you think she's making?
Phew. Cool.
Well, you can't go wrong with fairy lights.
Hey, no.
All your truck needs now is a mascot. Look at that. It's an ice cream truck. Who's in the mood for some sprunky spumoni? Come on down. We've got a bunch of flavors. Plus, we're always packed with toppings. Cup or cone? Why not choose both?
Hey.
Place your order. Would you like a sample? Let's start with a scoop of cotton candy. And our pistachio just can't be beat. How about a nice juicy strawberry?
Wow.
Here, have a bite. And we've got cones to spare, too. Silly Alexis. Now where's he off to now? Big wheel keeps on turning. Hey, what's that smell? What pretty flowers. They make great paint, too. Why, there's enough for two. But what's she making? Want to make a trade? She needs a straw. That cup should come in handy too. It's a new Ferris wheel. And look, Mr. Sun is the star of the show. Come on, guys, who wants to go for a ride? Okay, everyone, line up. One sprunky for each seat. Soon you'll feel like you're on top of the world. But that's not the only wheel at the fair. Hey now, a wheel of fortune isn't cheap. Don't worry, we'll make you a place for all your coins. Why do I have the sudden urge to go to an arcade? It's a game of chance. Spin and see where it lands. A Labubu! And look, it's just your size, too. Who wants to go next? Okay, Ratty, it's your turn. You got a rock! The Charlie Brown special. Oh, good grief. Wow, have you ever seen a Waxus so excited before? Ooh, looks like you got the mystery box. Just what we always wanted. A button. Hey, who turned off the lights around here? Careful, things get spooky around here at night.
Okay.
Oh, calm down. It comes with an off switch. Aw, they're sorry they scared you.
Hey.
You can look now.
Wow.
And why wouldn't you? Everyone's having so much fun. Yeah, nothing beats a night at the amusement park. Still, we mustn't spend too long at the fair. Besides, let's get out of here before they hire some clowns. Music brings all of our sprunky friends together. Now, Funbot, you can fill the room with music. And without using a baseball bat, no less. Sky's got groceries, but there's nowhere to put it. Don't be blue. Cardboard to the rescue. Add some yellow, and it's our old pal Simon. Thanks, Funbot. Bratty, just what we need. Now we can make Simon's better half. Look, it's a Simon refrigerator. He'll keep things lemony fresh. Well, one assumes. Of course, we could use a few more appliances. Set up the table. It's almost time to set the table. But first, let's take out the trash. Uh-oh! Oh, it's okay. This cool tool should help. A Wenda vacuum. She'll help keep the trash all in one place. I think we earned a soda. Uh-oh, the table! We forgot to set it! But first things first, we need things to actually set it with. Let's start things off with a pie? Chicken pot? Or something sweet? Looks like we're going with sweet. And it's blueberry by the looks of it. Let's add our secret special sauce. And a buttery crust. Place on the table to cool. I don't trust that windowsill. But Sprunkies can't live on pie alone. What we need is delicious, nutritious bread. Especially when we use it to make rainbow grilled cheese. Sprunkies prefer food with a face. Ah, the cheese pull does not disappoint. Hey, a snake! Well, that put the stop in stop motion. But remember, waste not, want not. Besides, black and green go great with red. And with a few twists and turns, it's melon season. Now we just need to slice it up. Sometimes it pays to see some red. Plus, there's plenty of slices to go around. We'll need some beverages. Pour some juice. Everyone at the same time. It's time to dig in. A Waxus? What did you roll around in? Let's play a game. Customize some Sprunky friends. They're cute, but they could use some faces. Just add water. Maybe we should just draw them on. Kind of blank, but to each his own. Maybe get these guys a towel or something. Worry about your friends. It seems we can always rebuild them. Besides, Oren has never looked better. If she's not careful, she's gonna wake up the dead. Or maybe that was the idea. Well, you've certainly gotten Clucker's attention. Let's just hope he's not too mad. Well, either way, he's seeing red. Oaxis seems about the same. Let's find Brud a new bucket. And I. Speaking of eyes, Gray looks sleepy. Wake up! The sun is shining! Why don't you let the light inside you? Here's a little something to wash it down with. I think someone needs a quick shave. This is why I said quick, not good. Either way, keep digging. Here comes the sun. Ooh, who knew the sun was so absorbent? Careful, don't squish his face too hard. Oren's feeling lighter than air these days. You probably should have covered those spikes. Hey, the confetti! There's something inside. A marker? Let's add some color to this tape. Now throw on some sprinkles. Is that clear? Hey, what are you chewing? Is that clay? Wait a minute, it's our old pal Sky. Well, rainbows always go with Sky. And so does a whole lot of air. Who turned off the lights? Darnold? Aw, got a headache. This should help. More importantly, we've got crafting supplies. Run this needle through the glue and around the balloon. Give it a quick pop, and the yarn should stay in place. Add eyes and a bow, and it's Pinky. And look, she really lights up a room. Durple's got a good head on his shoulders, but he won't be standing tall for long. Maybe we should start from scratch. Like our purple Durple paper doll. Sprunkies, like onions, come in layers. Rolling your eyes? Well, I thought it was funny. Mr. Tree's here for a pruning, and just in time. To be fair, I guess a worm's gotta eat too. And you've got all sorts of stuff in your leaves. We'll put this bag to better use. Fill it with paint. Add Clucker on top and squeeze those pores. Ooh, an apple! It's filled with slime! Aw, I was hoping for a worm. Either way, let's slice up a cucumber. It's got slime too, and it's pink. Add some glue and keep on mixing. Now wrap it up with double-sided tape. Let's put a happy face on things. And we've got Pinky. Chocolate ice cream. Uh-oh. Okay, that's impressive, but I still wouldn't need it. Doggy's got what you need. Some paper. Cut it up and roll it into a cone. Add a straw right at the bottom. Now fill it up with plastic wrap. Next, blow it up like a great big balloon bubble. Looks like somebody got the point. What we need here is a plant expert, Vineria. These thorns will help her move across the board. And pretty soon, she's won the race. Ooh, I hope there's a toy. Even better, it's an Oren burger. Oh, it's disgusting. That's a nasty patty. It's so gross, and yet we can't look away. So why don't we give it a makeover? Might as well pop a few of these pimples. Honestly, it's all just one sticky mess. Still, it's kind of fun to squish around. Let's see what else is in here. Not sure what it is, but it sure is sticky. It's not exactly an ideal snack, but it still seems fun to play with. Well, would you like fries with that? Never mind, blocks are more fun anyway. You can make anything, like fries. What? Fries are still pretty neat. Don't forget to share. Laundry day already? Well, get things turning. Wait a minute, that's not laundry. We're mixing up a special brew. But something tells me we're still gonna clean something. Here, Ratty, you could use our special water beads. Now let's pour out our special concoction. Next, our secret bath bomb powder. Because baths, like coffee, are just better with foam. Hey, you got a little something. It's a magic cleaning flower. It's got a dirty job, but someone needs to do it. Hey, need a hand? Well, how about a spare arm? I wonder if there's any buried treasure here. Uh-oh, Dracula doesn't live nearby, does he? I'm almost too scared to look, but not that scared. Ugh, whoever's in here sure is messy. Wait a sec, it's not the undead, it's Oren! They've just been preserved in slime. And they've got all this cool stuff with them. Good thing you've got that shovel. Never mind, that'll take too long. Guess we gotta get our hands dirty. Or slimy, as the case may be.